kind of rough, but I wanted to come on here real quick. Well, I was changing my bed. I wanted to show you, Lovies, this item that was sent to me by a company called Ghostbed. I will have all information down below in the description box, so check down there if you are interested. And if I have any coupon codes, they will be located down below in the description box. So yeah. Alright, love it. So I am back. So this package was shipped to me by FedEx. It took about it will take anywhere from 2 to 5 days. It did get to me very quickly after ordering it, putting in my order. Um, but I will put a disclaimer here. I did receive this ghost bed protector, mattress protector for free. But it did get to me fast. Shipping was fast. And it came in a box like this. And it was sealed up like very, very well. Um, the protector comes in a package like this. And it has information about the protector on one side, and then you have like information here on how you can contact the business. So that's how it comes, neatly packaged, just in case if you needed to take it off and pack it up. For some reason you have this to put it back in. Say for instance, if you needed to return it, you'll have this to put it back in as well. So a great way to keep your protector safe and clean. So I have my paper here, my notes that has, if you hear noise in the background, it's Loyal. But Loyal, lower your voice a little bit, baby. Okay, so but I have my notes right here. So the name of the company is Ghostbed. This protector that I received is a queen size protector. It retails, this particular one retails for $100. The Ghost Grip, it is 2 inches thick. The elastic band, are you okay? The elastic band is 2 inches thick. It encases the entire bottom for maximum stability. As far as comfort, it is super soft knit top, provides quiet and breathability. Security is total waterproof barrier with long lasting durability and after every wash. So basically it's saying that after every wash this will not shrink. Hopefully, I mean, it would not mess up the material. Hopefully it does not shrink when it comes to drying. I will keep you lovies updated on that. As far as technology, it's non-migrating antimicrobial technology. Microbial technology helps eliminate allergens, which is awesome. So meaning it's not going to catch any dust or lint and all that good stuff. So as far as Loyal, as far as ratings, out of 461 people, they gave this Ghost mattress protector, they gave it a 4.8 out of 5, which is awesome. It's basically a 5. Right now they do have holiday bundles going on the website where you can save up to $799. So definitely go check that out. Like I said, I will leave the link down below. Links down below. On the website, they also offer mattresses, bed frames, bedding sets, and pillows that you can check out on their site. I did see a mattress on there. It's like a flexible mattress that I was looking at or interested in. As far as pricing, the twin mattress protector retails for $70. The twin extra large protector retails for $75. The full protector retails for $80. The queen, which I received, retails for $100. And then the king and the California king protector both retail for $120, which in my opinion is definitely reasonable. They all come with a 10-year limited warranty, meaning they do not cover, it's some certain things that they do not cover that may happen to this mattress protector. So it will come with this card inside the box. And sorry for the lighting, I don't have my lamps here in my bedroom, but it comes with this card, and it says like certain things that they will not cover. So that's why it says limited warranty, so keep that in mind. Medical issues, repeated multiple stains, multiple locations from humans or pets, dyes, inks, paints, dirt, soil, gum, acids, chemical hair treatments, hairsprays, a few things. This is to name a few things that they will not cover. Odors accumulated for long-term, most likely not washing, they will not cover that. Any staining or damage due to the mattress itself, they will not cover as well. So yeah, so it tells you on this card important information regarding the warranty. It tells you more information about the business, and you do have 30 days from the day that you received your item, this mattress cover in particular, to go online and register your product. If you do not go online and register, then it will not be covered under the 10-year limited warranty. Like I said, check down below for any links, coupon codes, and such. So I'm going to take it out of the bag so you lovies can see. I'm going to try to pull it out the best way I can. And it is very, very durable. Like, I could tell from just pulling it out. And this is the elastic band here that they were speaking of, and it feels like you can just tell that it's made very, very well. And you can see the breathable holes, if you can see that, the breathable holes in the inside. And it is, and this is what the inside material looks like, and you can just tell that it is very well made. It does not have an odor, and it's very, very soft. So and like I said, I can't lift the whole thing myself, but it is very, very spacious, very, very roomy, very, very big. And I'm definitely going to go ahead and put it on my bed. I will be inserting a picture of how it looks on our mattress. And yeah, I hope you lovies enjoyed this informative video about the Ghostbed mattress cover. Do check them out. Definitely check them out. Like I said, shipping was super duper quick. Easy checkout. Yeah, I have no complaints. So definitely check down below in the description box. And I will see you babes in the next video. Happy holidays.